Hello lovelies, hello friends, hello family, welcome back to my channel. So if you have been following me, you would see that I already uploaded this multi-strand colorful beaded bracelet, and this is a similar kind but with different color beads. So today's tutorial is going to be about how to make this fringe beaded earrings, and this is a matching bracelet to it, okay, which means that it's going to be of a similar kind with this kind of color beads, okay. Yeah, so that's all there is to it. So let's see what I have for you. So the materials I used for the bracelets is quite similar to the fringe earring. All right, yeah. So to begin with, please, if you would like to dot this down, you can have your pen or pencil and find your paper and then dot the materials down, because there are quite many. Yeah, so first on the list, a mixture of beads. I've done that. I'm using the same beads that I used for the bracelet, okay. So because this is just only a matching earring I'm doing, so it's the same beads that I'll be using. So I'll be using these beads, and then also my beading needle, and I would use this nylon thread as well, and then my already made bead crochet. So if you want to know how this is done, you can cross-check from the other tutorial. I'll put a link in the description box so you know how this is made, okay, or you can check it out. So this is very important for this project. Now to continue, I would need, now let me open for you to see. Yeah, so these are the earrings I'll be attaching to the end cap here. So I'll need this earring studs. Yeah, so these are the back of the earrings, or the earring studs. And then I already mentioned my end caps, and then jump rings. What else? My pair of scissors, my long nose and curved nose pliers. Yes, F6000. And I also need one earbud, my beading mat, and in case I forget anything, you are going to see them on your screen, okay, or any item on your screen which I have forgotten. So let's continue with the video. Yeah, so I have already attached the thread to the needle, which is very simple to do. Now this is how I started. So it's very similar to the bracelet, okay, and the number of beads which was attached and everything is the same thing. There's nothing that has changed, even the circumference. So the circumference is just the round part here, okay, and you have 25 beads in all. Yeah, but the only difference is that the fringe is going to be only 15, so please stay with me. But the bead crochet is the same thing. So this is how I started. To secure the working thread, I have to go through it 2 to 3 times. Okay. Yeah, so I have gone through the cotton part here 2 to 3 times, and I'm out of the very first bead, or any kind of bead at all. So it's the same process for the bracelet, okay. It's nothing strange. So I would like to come out finally from the last bead. So this is the last bead, okay. And you don't worry if this part looks rough, because you're going to close it up with the end cap, so it's fine. And then you finally come. So this is the last bead. Now you're going to pick 60 beads, and you're going to attach these 60 beads to every bead here. not every bead 15 beads, okay? But if you want, you can choose to you know, fringe every bead around. And because this is an earring, I'm choosing only 15 beads to make your ear lighter whenever you wear it, or my ear lighter, okay? Yes, so we don't want that to happen. We don't want to have heavy you know, earrings on our ears. So to do that, we have to, you know, decrease the number of fringes we're going to attach. So it's going to be only 15 beads, and each fringe is going to have 60 beads. 60 beads are threaded already. So in case you don't know how to make a fringe, this is how to do it. You can watch from here. So you just push one bead down, and then you go through the rest of the beads up like so. Very simple, until you go to the last bead. And then you pull your thread gently like that. You hold it, okay, and then you do the rest little by little, because this is a really long one here. So this is how I'll be doing it. And my beads are quite small as well, so it's not really yeah, like that. And you go to the final, the rest of the beads here, like so. Okay, pull your thread gently. Okay, so just make sure it's not very stiff, it's quite loose, and not too loose as well. So now you are up on the already attached bead to the, you know, the cotton part here, and then we go through the next bead like that, and we make another 60 beads, or we pick 60 beads. Yeah, so here comes another fringe. You just push it to it, to the bead crochet, and then you push one bead down, go through the rest of the beads gently. Just make sure you don't miss any bead, okay, like that. Like that. So just make sure that you fringe the very first 9 beads. Okay, so this is 2, we have 7 more to go. The very first row of 9 beads, okay, and then the rest is you can pick any other bead as, after that, okay. So it's going to be 15. In case you are following this, what I'm doing, it should be 15 fringes, okay. So I'm going to finish off with the very first 9 and then get back to you, and then after 9 plus 7, we pick any other bead and add a fringe to it, and then that will be all. So it's going to be 9 plus 7 9, did I say 9 plus 7? Sorry, 9 plus 6, yeah, which is going to give us 15 in total, okay. So let me finish with the very first row of 9 beads and then get back to you. Yes, so the first row of 9 fringes is done, and I think you can even end on this. Okay, you can end on the first row, so I'm going to add 6 more rows, and with the 6 more rows, it's not even necessary to go bead by bead, okay, in a row. You can start from here, you can start from there, but just make sure that they are all in line. Okay, so because this is not a bracelet where you can start anywhere to make it rough. Okay, so they should all be in line. In case you want to start from maybe the first bead with the first row and you realize it's shorter, you can add more beads to make it all equal, right? Okay, so I'm done with the very first row. I will continue with the second row or any other bead that I want from the second or the third row. Okay, so I go down and I'm going to add 6 more fringes to it to be 15 or yeah. So this is 60 beads and it makes the 10th fringe. Okay, so we'll add this up to the 10th bead. Then I go back to the bead again. Yeah, and then I continue. Okay, so like I said, you can go through any bead you want. So I'm going to spread the 6 beads out. I've done the 10 bead, 5 beads more. I'm going to spread out the 5 beads. So I'll start with the other fringe here. Okay, like that. And I'm going to do the rest off camera and get back to you when I'm done with all 15 beads. So it's the same procedure. Okay, 60 beads in every fringe. Yeah, so all 15 fringes are done. So let's count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 15. So after you are done, you have to, before you cut the working thread, just go through all the try to go through, you know, the cotton here to secure it before you cut off, and I have done that already. So I'll just finally cut it off like that and then go ahead to attach my end cap. Yeah, so I'll be using the F6000 for this work. Yeah, so you need your cotton bud. I called it the earbud. Then you just smear a little bit of glue on it. Just make sure you are in a well ventilated area, okay, for your, you know, so you don't hurt your how would you call this, your breath, or yeah. So let's just smear a little bit in the end cap like that. And also a little part around here. cotton or the crochet area. And I can assure you it will never come off. Okay, when you do it well, it will. So this is a very strong glue that I recommend for every beader who is doing this kind of project. Okay, yeah, so just let me add a little bit more. So it's very similar to the bracelet that I did. So afterwards, you just push it in with the back of your crochet pin, like that. Okay, like that. Just push it in. Now you could tell that all the rough part is inside now, and you could, I mean, it's neat from this part, right? Yeah. So I'm going to leave this for the next 24 hours and then get back to you. Okay, welcome back everyone. Glue is done, it's all dry, and I would want to add that you can use this fringe here not just for earrings but also for your necklace, pendants, or even a charm on a bag or something, you know what I mean. Yeah, so at this point I'm going to attach my earring hook with the help of the jump ring here. Okay, now let me put this closer so you understand how I do it. So I'll be opening this jump ring. So this is a long nose plier, and if you are somebody who works you know, using the jump ring, I believe you have this already on and you know how this works. Okay, but if you're a beginner, you can get a long nose plier and a curved nose plier to open your rings. So you hold both work together and you open it. Very easy. Then you put your earring stud, then you close it again. Okay, so this is it. Very beautiful, and both are ready. Look at that, it's so gorgeous. And I have my my bracelet here as well, guys. This is gorgeous. I'm loving this right now. I'm loving this. So this tutorial was uploaded the last time and I've added its matching earring to it. So this is the other color. This is the other color. Look at how this looks gorgeous. You can use this as a pendant on your necklace as well, or even a charm on the back. Yeah, yeah. So or even as a key holder or a car key holder, something, you know what I mean. Thank you so much, and please keep the comments coming in. Please, whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press on the notification whenever you subscribe to receive new uploads whenever I put any video out there. And thank you so much for your time. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep commenting. Thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, I'd like to say a warm welcome to you. And if you are a returning subscriber, oh, big hugs to you, man. Thank you so much and have a nice time. I'll keep saying thank you until I'm done. So yeah, I'm so grateful to you guys. So see you on my next tour. Have a nice time. Bye.